How to repair your website monitoring for SEO. Whether you intend to work on your SEO now or later, you need to plan for it when you're putting your website together. The first critical step is to set up your website monitoring tools for SEO. This will allow you to have a clear starting point when setting out to begin your SEO efforts. If you are new to this channel, we provide high-quality tips for business owners and managers on how to grow their business by creating a never-ending client growth machine. If you are interested in this kind of content and would like to see more, feel free to like, subscribe, and click on that bell, or at least give a thumbs up to this video and share it. This applies even if you don't intend to start working on your SEO right now. The data collected will be very useful once you decide to do so. Install Google Analytics to monitor your website. Google Analytics works in the background, collecting information for you. It's easy to install. Just add the code to your site. Just send the code to your webmaster or install a plugin or code through your CMS. No matter what web platform you use, it is reasonably easy to do. Once the Google Analytics code is working, it will enable you to see historical data with patterns of seasonal behavior. You will also be able to see where visitors enter your site and exit it with the basic one-step installation. Monitor your website conversions. Monitoring conversions is very important. Make sure that you create some goals for your website. For example, a conversion goal you want to monitor might be the amount of times your inquiry form was filled in or the number of times a white paper was downloaded from your website. If you're running a pay-per-click ads, you can measure your conversions very easily by adding their conversions code on the thank you page. The landing page people arrive after having contacted you successfully or bought something from your shop, downloaded your free PDF, etc. This is what you need to monitor. Monitor your search engine ranking. It's not an obvious one, but in order to have data you can use for your search engine optimization later, you need to monitor your search ranking. You need to record the position you have now in order to monitor and fine-tune your work depending on your progress. Let's say one day you have a strong reduction in the number of new leads or sales coming from your website. Rank monitoring will give you in a few seconds the answer it is because you lost your position in search engines. You will immediately understand which keyword was responsible and fix the situation. If the problem didn't come from a keyword, then you will immediately put the energy in the right direction to solve the problem fast. Knowing your search engine position has an impact of more than 80% of our business. It is vital for a company to know the ranking. Without this, in a scenario like that, you will be facing a big problem. Monitor your competition. It's important to monitor your competitors' assets, ranking activities, and understand which ones are gaining an advantage at your expense. Find out which of your competitors are active online, who you're competing with for major keywords in your industry. It often is not who you think. Nowadays, the ones that are actively using SEO in online marketing are the ones that are most dangerous to your business. Monitor their activities and make sure you outperform what they do. Adjust your SEO output based on how aggressive your competition is. Some great tools to effectively monitor your competition without any manual work are SEMrush and Here's. Following these steps will set you up with a great monitoring. You will gain deep insight into your performance and that of your competitors in a matter of a few months. This will help you understand to what extent you need to invest in SEO and other marketing activities to reach your business goals. If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at where to start with your online marketing. You can find the link here. If you wish to see more of our weekly videos, please subscribe. You can find the link here. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. Especially comment if you have questions. We look through your comments and answer as many as we can.